Hello my door closer collector friends. Today I'm going to be making a video of all of the door closers that are installed in my grandparents' house. So start off in the front side of the house. The front door is a hold open screen door closer. Closes nicely. Alright, then I'll move on to the next closer. Alright, the next closer we have another storm door closer, hold open. Installed in this bathroom right here. Back here's the toilet. So we'll go ahead and give you guys a demonstration. Closes the door nicely. Alright, moving on to the next closer. In my room, on this door right here, we have a universal hardware door closer that does its hold open feature. Does a nice job closing the door. One more time. Alright, and then on to the next one. And last but not least, this cheap landlord special storm door closer. Go ahead and give you guys another demonstration. Closes the door okay. And one more demonstration. Alright, this is all the door closers that are installed on my grandparents' house. Thank you guys for watching.